Cost per acquisition, CPA, in affiliate marketing is a performance-based pricing model where affiliates earn a commission each time their marketing efforts result in a specific user action, such as a sale, sign-up, or subscription. Unlike traditional advertising models that charge based on impressions or clicks, CPA focuses on measurable conversions, making it one of the most efficient and result-oriented methods in the digital marketing ecosystem. In affiliate marketing, CPA acts as a bridge between advertisers seeking real results and affiliates looking for fair compensation for their performance. The process begins when an advertiser defines a conversion goal. This could be a product purchase, app download, newsletter subscription, or form submission, and sets a fixed payout for each completed action. Affiliates then promote the advertiser's offer through websites, blogs, email lists, social media platforms, or paid ads, using unique tracking links to ensure every conversion is properly attributed. What makes CPA marketing particularly appealing is its low risk for advertisers. They only pay when a desired action occurs, ensuring a direct return on investment. For affiliates, however, it requires strategic targeting, traffic optimization, and understanding user intent to maximize conversions and earnings. Successful CPA marketers often rely on data-driven tactics such as A/B testing, conversion rate optimization, and precise audience segmentation to enhance performance. They also choose traffic sources carefully, balancing between organic SEO strategies and paid campaigns like Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach high-intent users. The CPA model encourages transparency and accountability, as both affiliates and advertisers can track conversions in real time through affiliate networks or tracking software. Popular CPA networks like Max Bounty, Peerfly, and ClickDealer connect advertisers with skilled affiliates, providing a secure platform to manage campaigns, monitor performance, and handle payments. However, achieving profitability in CPA affiliate marketing is not without challenges. Competition is fierce, traffic costs can fluctuate, and compliance with regulations like GDPR and advertising policies is crucial. Affiliates must ensure their promotional methods align with the advertiser's guidelines, avoiding misleading claims or spam tactics that could lead to disqualification. Despite these challenges, CPA marketing remains one of the most lucrative models in affiliate marketing because it rewards precision, creativity, and consistency. It empowers affiliates to scale their business efficiently, while advertisers benefit from predictable and performance-driven costs. In the evolving digital economy, where user attention is fragmented and ad budgets demand accountability, CPA marketing continues to stand out as the gold standard for performance-based advertising, offering a win-win framework for both affiliates and advertisers aiming for measurable success.